Heading out into the great outdoors shouldn't mean sacrificing the comfort of a hot, home-cooked meal. Surviving on dehydrated backpacking food, cold sandwiches, or basic campfire hot dogs gets old incredibly fast when you are on an extended camping trip or a family tailgating weekend. The Hike Crew Outdoor Gas Camping Oven totally revolutionizes your campsite kitchen, functioning like a portable, heavy-duty stove and oven combo that lets you bake fresh biscuits, roast a chicken, or fry up bacon and eggs right at your picnic table. What makes this propane-powered system an absolute powerhouse for outdoor enthusiasts is its highly versatile, 2-in-1 design. The top of the unit features a powerful 2-burner stove shielded by folding windshields to keep your flames steady in breezy conditions, while underneath sits a spacious, fully insulated oven compartment. Driven by a reliable auto-ignition system, you can easily dial in the exact cooking heat you need thanks to the built-in thermometer on the oven door, allowing you to bake with total precision rather than playing a guessing game over an open fire. Key performance highlights: dual-burner cooktop and oven allows you to boil water or sauté veggies on top while simultaneously baking a fresh pizza or a batch of cookies inside. Built for maximum safety, CSA-approved design featuring an intelligent overheat safety shutoff that automatically cuts gas flow if temperatures reach unsafe levels. Complete portable setup includes a heavy-duty carry bag for easy transport, alongside the essential propane hose and regulator, so you can hook it up to a standard tank right out of the box. The rugged construction features a durable, easy-to-clean exterior that holds up beautifully to the bumps and scrapes of travel. Inside the oven, adjustable wire racks give you the flexibility to handle different pan sizes, making it feel exactly like your kitchen range at home. When dinner is over, the entire unit packs down compactly into its dedicated storage bag, keeping your vehicle clean and organized on the drive home. If you are ready to elevate your camp cooking game from basic to gourmet, click the link below for the best price. Drop a comment below letting me know the first meal you would bake or cook on this campsite oven. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more practical outdoor, camping, and cooking gear reviews, and I will see you in the next video.